Hi, my name is Enrique. I'm going to be explaining about perimeter, area, and volume with real-life examples. So in the first example, we got a rectangle, which was the face of a box, which has two sides of 12 centimeters and two sides of 6 centimeters. So here's the formula, and here's how I solve it. Then let's move on to area. So in the area, I used the cover page of book. The base was 12.5 centimeters and the height was 19 centimeters. So I used the formula based on height and it gave me this result. And it was in centimeters squared since in this area. Then finally, for the volume, I used a volleyball, which had a diameter of 22 centimeters and a radius of 11 centimeters, since the radius has to be the half length. Then I used this formula in order to solve the equation. And I left it in terms of pi since there was no value for pi given. And in centimeters at the third power since it is volume. So thank you very much, and that's it.
For the project, I use these three figures. For the perimeter, I use this cover that the base was 15 centimeters and the height was 23. So I add all the sides up and it gave me the answer. For the area, I use this square that the base was 17. So base and height, 17 times 17, give me the answer. And finally, to find the volume of this cylinder, I needed to find the area, so it was pi times radius squared plus the height, and that gave me the answer.
Hello, I'm Marlene, and I'm going to explain how I got the perimeter, area, and volume of these three figures. So first I got the perimeter of this square, and first I measured the sides, and it was 7 centimeters. And the formula of perimeter is to add all of the sides. So I just multiplied 7 times 4 because they were all equal, and it gave me 28 centimeters. Then I have this wallet, and I measured the base 10 centimeters and the height 7.5, and I just used the formula area equals base times height, and it gave me 75 centimeters squared. And at last I used the cylinder to calculate the volume. So first I measured the height and then the radius. So I used the formula 3.14 times radius to the power of 2 times the height, and it gave me 826.605 centimeters cubic.
Hi, I'm Camila Franco, and today I'm going to be explaining what I used for my math project and my results. So for perimeter, I used my notebook and I used the formula base times height, which gave me the result of 112 centimeters. Oh, base times height. So for areas, I used a triangle and I did the formula base times height divided by 2, and it gave me a total of 136.5 squared centimeters. So for volume, I used this red cylinder, and I used the formula of volume for cylinders, which is volume equals pi times radius squared times height, and it gave me the total of 395.64 cubic centimeters. That's it. Thanks for watching.